In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Xero invoice. Whether you're fixing a typo, adjusting invoice amounts, or updating billing details. Understanding how to edit an invoice in Xero is a handy skill that can save you time and keep your financials accurate. Let's get started by logging into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, it's time to dive a bit deeper. You'll need to navigate to the Business section. This can typically be found in the main menu. In Xero, the layout is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for users to find their way around. The Business section is where Xero consolidates all tools related to managing transactions, including the invoicing tool we're focusing on today. Within the Business section, look for the Invoices option. This is where all your invoicing activity is managed, from creating new invoices to viewing existing ones. Once you click on this, you'll open the Invoices page, which showcases a list of all your invoices. This page is designed to give you a quick overview of your invoicing status at a glance, including which invoices are overdue, due, or paid. Now, to edit an invoice, you'll need to find the specific invoice you want to adjust. The list of invoices is usually ordered by date, but if you're looking for something specific, you can search for an invoice by number, company name, or amount. Once you find the invoice in question, clicking on it will allow you to view its details. Xero's design here is all about clarity, displaying all the pertinent details of the invoice you're about to edit. Upon opening the invoice, you'll notice 3 dots or an options menu at the top of the invoice details page. This small but powerful feature is your gateway to further actions you can take on this invoice. Clicking on this menu will reveal several options, including the one we're interested in, Edit. After clicking Edit, you'll be taken to the invoice editing screen. This is where you can make all the necessary adjustments to your invoice. Whether it's correcting a typo in the product description, changing the quantity of items billed, updating the price, or adjusting the billing details, this is the place to do it. Each field is editable, so take your time to go through the invoice carefully and make the necessary corrections. Remember, accurate invoicing reflects well on your business and keeps your financial records in order. After you've made your adjustments, be sure to review the invoice. Check for any inaccuracies or typos. It's easy to overlook details when you're focused on making corrections, so a thorough review process is important. Once you're satisfied that all the information is correct and reflects the changes you wanted to make, you can save your edits. This will update the invoice in the system, and it will now reflect the new details you've entered. Editing an invoice in Xero is as simple as that. This tool is designed to be user-friendly, accommodating users of all levels, from beginners to advanced. Remember, maintaining accurate invoicing is not just beneficial for record-keeping, but also essential for building and maintaining trust with your clients. Ensuring that invoices are correct before sending them out reflects professionalism and attention to detail. So, take advantage of these features in Xero to manage your invoices more effectively. Not only will it save you time, but it can also help prevent any financial discrepancies down the line. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to edit a Xero invoice. Keep exploring Xero for more tools and features that can help streamline your business's financial management. Happy invoicing!